Secrets of Easy Life. 3 verses. Easy solution for all difficulties. Verse 20 of Surah At-Talaq. And whoever fears Allah, He will make for him or her a way out. This verse emphasizes the concept of taqwa, fear of Allah, and its relationship with divine assistance and guidance. It reassures believers that those who fear Allah and maintain piety will be provided with a solution or relief from their difficulties. The phrase way out, makhraja, indicates that Allah, out of His mercy and grace, will facilitate a resolution for those who turn to Him in reverence and obedience. The message conveyed in this verse is one of hope and encouragement for believers facing challenges or hardships. It underscores the importance of maintaining taqwa and trust in Allah during difficult times, as He is aware of their struggles and is ready to assist them. By cultivating piety and reliance on Allah, believers can find solace and guidance in navigating through their trials. Verse 21 of Surah At-Talaq. And He will provide for him or her from where he or she does not expect. And whoever relies upon Allah, then He is sufficient for him or her. Indeed, Allah will accomplish His purpose. Allah has already set for everything a decreed extent. This verse further elaborates on the concept of divine provision and assistance for those who fear Allah and rely on Him. It states that Allah will provide sustenance from unexpected sources, beyond what one may anticipate or calculate. Moreover, it emphasizes that whoever places their trust in Allah will find Him sufficient to meet their needs. Allah is fully capable of fulfilling His purpose, and He has ordained a destined measure for everything. The message conveyed in this verse is one of reliance, tawakkul, on Allah's providence and sufficiency. It encourages believers to place their trust in Allah's divine wisdom and ability to provide for them, even in the face of uncertainty or difficulty. By relying on Allah and acknowledging His control over all matters, believers can find reassurance and contentment in knowing that He will fulfill their needs according to His decree. Verse 22 of Surah At-Talaq. And whoever fears Allah, He will make for him of his matter ease. This verse reaffirms the principle that those who fear Allah and maintain piety will be granted ease and facilitation in their affairs by Allah. It indicates that through taqwa, fear of Allah, Allah will alleviate difficulties and hardships, making the path smoother and more manageable for the believer. The message conveyed in this verse emphasizes the transformative power of taqwa in easing the challenges of life. It assures believers that by fearing Allah and adhering to His commands, they will find their matters made easy and their burdens lightened. This verse serves as a source of comfort and encouragement for believers, reminding them of the divine promise of ease for those who prioritize piety and righteousness in their lives. In summary, these verses from Surah At-Talaq underscore the significance of taqwa, fear of Allah, and trust in Allah, assuring believers of divine assistance, provision, and ease in their affairs. They offer hope, encouragement, and guidance for navigating through life's trials with faith and reliance on Allah's mercy and grace.